In this video, I will tell you about methods for solving first order differential equation. We have different methods: variable separable method, or can say separation method, homogeneous, linear, exact, Bernoulli's method. We will first start with variable separable method. In variable separable method, we can separate variables. That is, if we have an equation x, y, dy, dx, then we can separate x and dx on one side of the equation and y and dy on other side of the equation. Let's see example. We have example dy by dx equal to e raised to the power x plus y plus x square e raised to the power y. This can be written as dy by dx equal to e raised to the power y common, and from here x square, and from here e raised to the power x. Now we will separate variables. That is, we will take y and dy on one side and x and dx on other side of the equation. That is, if we take e raised to the power y here, then this is e raised to the power minus y and dy, and we will take dx other side. This is equal to x square plus e raised to the power x dx. Now we integrate both sides. We are separated variables. Now we can integrate. Here we do integrate with respect to y, and here we integrate with respect to x. So on integrating with respect to y, I get minus e raised to the power minus y equal to, and here integrate with respect to x. So this is x cube by 3 plus e raised to the power x plus c, where c is integration constant. Or multiply here, or taking LCM on both sides with 3 and multiplying with minus 1, we get this equation: 3 e raised to the power minus y equal to minus x cube minus e to the power x, e raised to the power x, and here minus 3 into c, which I write c dash. So this is some other constant c dash, which is minus 3c. So this is the solution of this differential equation. And this solution is called general solution. So what is general solution? A general solution of a differential equation is a solution in which number of arbitrary constants is equal to the order of the differential equation. Here in general solution, we have only one arbitrary constant, which is c dash, or which is equal to minus 3c. So we have only one arbitrary constant here, and this is and c dash is one arbitrary constant, and this is equal to the order of the differential equation, which is also 1. So if we have a order of differential equation is 1, then in general solution we have only one arbitrary constant. If order of differential equation is 2, for example, if we have here d2y by dx square equal to something, then order of differential equation is 2. So in general solution we will have two arbitrary constants. Now let's move to another example or question. Solve the differential equation 1 plus x square dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square. We can solve this equation by variable separable method, or we can separate variables here. So if we separate variables, this equation becomes 1 plus y square dy equal to dx divided by 1 plus x square. Oh, sorry. So on separating variables, this equation is this one: dy by 1 plus y square, and if we take dx there and 1 plus x square here, so this is equal to dx by 1 plus x square. Now we are separated with variables. We have y on LHS and x on RHS. Now on integrating both sides, we get this is what, tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x, and a constant would be added. That constant can be anything. We can add xc here, or we can add tan inverse c also here, because this is again a constant. Or this equation becomes tan inverse y minus tan inverse x equal to tan inverse c. This is general solution of differential equation, because here we have one arbitrary constant which is equal to the order of the differential equation. So this is general solution of differential equation. Now we will see another question. Solve the differential equation log dy by dx equal to 3x plus 4y. We can write this equation as, if we take exponential both sides, then this is e raised to the power 3x plus 4y, and here dy by dx. Or this can be written as e raised to the power 3x into e raised to the power 4y. Now we can separate variables. If we take e raised to the power 4y here, then this is e raised to the power minus 4y dy by dx is equals to e raised to the power 3x, or e raised to the power minus 4y dy equal to e raised to the power 3x dx. Now we are separated with the variables. Now we integrate both sides with respect to x, and on integrating both sides with respect to x, we get minus 1 by 4 e raised to the power minus 4y is equals to 1 by 3 e raised to the power 3x, plus a constant would be added. Or this imply minus e raised to the power minus 4y, no, this is minus 3 e raised to the power minus 4y minus 4 e raised to the power 3x. If we take LCM both sides and write 4 e raised to the power 3x here, then this equation become like this, and this is equal to some c dash, where c dash is integration constant and c dash is what? 12c. So this is general solution of the differential equation. Now we have this question, dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 whole square. Clearly it is seen that here we cannot separate variables, but a particular substitution can make a particular solution can make it easy for us to solve this differential equation with a variable separable method. So what we do, we will substitute this x plus y plus 1 is some variable. So let x plus y plus 1 equal to t. If we substitute this like this, then we need dy by dx. So we differentiate this with respect to x. On differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Mark this equation as 1. If we does like this, then equation 1 becomes, what happened with equation 1? In place of dy by dx, I can write dt by dx minus 1. This is equal to x plus y plus 1 whole square, that is t square. Or this equation is what? dt by dx equal to 1 plus t square. Now here we have only t, so we can separate t and x. This imply dt by 1 plus t square equal to dx. So here we are separated with variables. Now we integrate both sides with respect to, Here we in this side we integrate with respect to t, and in this side we with respect to x. So on integrating both sides with respect to, on integrating both sides, we get we get tan inverse for 1 by 1 plus t square. Integration is tan inverse t, and this is x plus c. Or we substitute value of t, which is x plus y plus 1. So tan inverse x plus y plus 1 equal to x plus c, or x plus y plus 1 equal to tan of x plus c. So this is general solution of the differential equation. Now if we have given some initial condition with the equation, that is if we given some initial condition. So if we have given y0 equal to 0 is some initial condition given along with equation number 1, which was dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 whole square. Then we get particular solution of the differential equation 1. So we get particular solution. So in general solution, what we do, we substitute this value. Here we have x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So in general solution, if we substitute x 0 and y 0, then this equation becomes 0 plus 1 equal to 10. Mark this 2. So this is from 2. We substitute x0 and y0. So this is 0 plus 1 equal to 10 of 0 plus c, that is 10c. This implies 10c equal to 1, which implies what? C is equals to pi by 4. So we get value of c. Therefore, particular solution is a solution of a given equation 1 is a x plus y plus 1 equal to 10 x plus c. C is what? Pi by 4. So in particular solution, we have no arbitrary constant, because with the help of initial condition, we get the value of arbitrary constant c. So this is particular solution. Now we have question, solve y by x dy by dx minus x square plus y square minus 1 divided by 2x square plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. We want to solve this equation with variable separable method, but directly it is not possible to separate variables. So what we do, we make substitution. We put x square plus y square equal to t. Now we differentiate this x square plus y square equal to t with respect to x. Then we get 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to dt by dx. We want dy by dx. Dy by dx is dt by dx minus 2x and divided by 2y. Now we substitute dy by dx in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, we have y by x, here y by x, and in place of dy by dx, I write this equation dt by dx minus 2x divided by 2y. So this equation minus, now we substitute t in place of x square plus y square. So this is t minus 1 divided by, this is 2 times x square plus y square. So I can write this is 2t plus 1. So this is 2t plus 1. This is equal to 0. Or this equation can be written as, on solving, we get 1 by 2x dt by dx minus, here 2 will cancel with 2, and x with x, y and y. So we left with 1 only here, minus 1, that is 1 by 2x dt by dx minus 1 minus t minus 1 divided by 2t plus 1 equal to 0. Or this is, now we take LCM of this equation, minus 1 minus t minus 1 divided by 2t plus 1. Then this becomes 3t divided by 2t plus 1. And we take it on right hand side, and this become, so equation become 1 by 2x dt by dx equal to 3t divided by 2t plus 1. Now we will separate variables. We will take t and dt on one side of the equation and x and dx on other side of the equation. So this equation becomes 2t plus 1 divided by 3t into dt equal to 2x dx. We take 2x dx on right hand side and t and dt on left hand side. Now we want to integrate this equation. So this can be written as 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3t dt equal to 2x dx. Now on integrating both sides, we get 2 by 3 t plus 1 by 3 log t equal to x square plus constant, where c is constant of integration. Or we will now put value of t, which is x square plus y square. So this equation is 2 by 3 x square plus y square plus 1 by 3 log x square plus y square equal to x square plus c. So this is general solution of the differential equation, where c is constant of integration.